I'm gonna record this.
Jo, Safia, ingoj.
Wait, I'm gonna change my outfit to the good old, I don't know. Where's he? He's here. I sent some rockets.
After me.
You? What do you
Yeah,
mean?
me.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're DB11, right? Yeah, I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not. He's just circling. Can you spawn me a laser, please? I need that. He's out.
Okay, nice. Follow me. I don't know. Don't lock on me, please.
It was me, sorry.
Okay.
I'll turn it off.
Oh shit, the B11 died. Fuck, I'm dead.
Oh shit. How did it die?
I don't know, it just shut off.
Oh fuck.
Wait a second, I'm gonna call the laser for you. Where is it?
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. No.
Oh fuck, there's a Raiju after us.
2 Raijus. That might be a problem.
If he's turning around, I have the railgun at me. So.
Yeah. That's a good idea. There's the other one.
That's a 2v1, I believe.
He's scared.
Laser.
He got out? No way. No. Can you invite? Oh fuck no! I can't go into CEO because I need my MC. I'm gonna blow one up.
Okay, good. That gives. It's right here, dude. It's right in at the end of the airport. It's at the end of the airport.
The end. This end.
Other.
Oh,
No,
fuck.
other.
Yeah, it's good because I said so. I'm here.
Wait. It spawned away. It's
shit.
right here. It's right here. This one.
This.
Yeah, this.
Okay. Can you protect me a bit?
Not really. I need to get
No problem.
into the... Okay, I'm gonna get my Raiju.
Fuck you. Okay, I'm not smoking.
Yeah.
I shot him down. What? That was a fucking NPC, bro. Oh, no way. Where's? In the fucking tunnel? Yeah, he's dead. There's an MK1, I think. Yeah. Where is he? Yep, he's here. He wants to shoot me, but... Oh shit. Shit! Oh! Since when, bro? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dizzy as fuck. I almost passed out. Oh shit.
What happened?
Bro, it shot at me and it was like 1 millimeter away from killing me. I almost passed out, bro. I was so fucking scared. I almost went unconscious, bro. That was fucking scary.
Well, that was fucking scary. Dear.
That's bad. I'm dead. Oh! Eject!
Eject.
Oh, I'm good. Oh my god.
Send a rocket. Please send a rocket after me. No, he didn't. Fuck.
Bro, the MK1 missiles are... I don't know. It's not working like this for me. That's for sure. I think I'm dead. No. Are you locking onto me or the fuck is happening?
No, I'm really high up. I'm not locking onto you, that's for sure. Okay, one dead. Probably dead. No.
Are there 3 or 4 people? One dead.
3. Overall 3.
Yeah. Another dead. One dead. Switches.
Not again.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna grab the thruster.
Hey, minigun. Oh, finally, bro.
APC is pretty shit. I have the...
I'm dead.
not the-
Fuck no. Go back, go back, go back, go back.
I'm
Oh
gonna
shit.
Sorry, I'm not gonna try the rhino. I'm gonna use the rhino. Wait, rhino! Why
Let's
the
see.
fuck am I saying rhino? It's the Kanjali.
Activate. Oh yeah.
Oh no, he's grabbing me. He's grabbing the plane. No fucking way, he's grabbing the plane.
One dead. I hate the fucking thermal. If I'm not sniping. Oh shit. Okay. Ah, bro. I thought these guys would be a good opponent, but they are fucking boring. Oh, MK1, nice! MK1
Okay,
versus
back-
MK1.
He's dead. What the fuck? No, he's not. Okay, defend me,
He's now.
defend me.
Yeah. How can you
No.
control the thruster? With what? Numpad or?
Plane controls.
Oh yeah.
Imagine using that shit, dude. Fuck off.
Should I bring the Kanchali?
Can you help me, please?
Maybe. Oh my fucking days. Oh shit! Nice. Maybe not. Yeah, it is. I'm just.
Where?
Oh, flat surface, best. Oh my god. They are the best. And I can't fucking hit my shot.
Nice one.
That. Yeah. Didn't pay much attention to him.
I'm gonna get back onto the thruster. And
Sorry, but the actual fuck.
more mutual insurance. What can I do for you?
Morse Mutual Insurance.
I'm calling them.
How can we help you? Sure.
MMI. We expect the unexpected.
Oh, now one of the guys is in her hangar.
That's good.
Watch out for that guy. No, that's you. Lock on us.
I want a double kill. That would be satisfying. 1, 2. Yeah! That was cool. What is he
Okay.
aiming at? Oh, you. He's dead now. I think there's a jet. Or I don't know, bro.
I think that too, but I don't see him anywhere.
Me neither. He's on you?
No, not on me.
Yeah, I'm fucking blind. And I'm dead. I want them to be in jets, bro. I want a jet fight. Actually.
Oh, what? Oh,
What
what?
happened?
Oh, what?
You what?
What did you do to my drink? You what?
Okay, he didn't kill me. He didn't kill me. One guy dead. I need more bullets.
How's he dead? Well, not my problem. There he is. Is he dead? No. I hate the cops, bro. I'm gonna parachute real quick. I don't know why. He's gonna shoot me, right? Yeah. Let me land. Okay.
I don't know. Help me, help me, help me, help me.
Where are you?
I'm trying to leave, dude.
I don't see any of them.
Because they are hiding like a bitch.
Maybe one. What? 1, 2. Okay. No, please don't die. Please don't die. Okay.
I did not die, I did not die.
Not you. Me. You wanna steal the jet. And kill them that way. Oh, fucking
Help me,
lock off.
help me, help me. I'm gonna die. I'm
One
gonna
dead.
die. Oh my god, he ate my rocket, dude. He ate my rocket.
Yeah! He's stealing a fucking jet. Don't kill him, don't kill him. Oh no 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 no. Oh shit, I'm dead.
Oh, do you imagine not owning a fucking jet?
No school? Okay, wait for him, wait for him. He's gonna blow up, I think. Because of the air defense. Hope not. Because he's gonna die.
Can I teleport?
Nice. They're gonna shoot me as soon as I get in. And there's a fucking bitch. I'm gonna shoot him real quick. Oh fuck. This is my chance. This is my chance. This is my go 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 go. Go go. He's gonna shoot at me while I'm stationary. No, he's not. He's not. He's not. Oh, very sick.
I don't know, but I'm gonna use the B11.
Okay, don't know where he is. Oh, of course. He's gonna shoot at me and no. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh,
Oh fuck no, dude.
don't snipe me, please, bro. He's gonna snipe me. He is gonna snipe me. He is gonna... No! Oh, thank God. Oh my God, I don't know what happened, but that was cool. Come here, you dirty boy.
Run, 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 run. Einen.
Oh, fuck. Where is he? He's under me. Oh, I hit him. He's down, I think. Think he should... Yeah, he's out. Fucking ass. Shoot some rockets. Oh, yeah, sure. Sure. I fucking hate these. This is getting boring, actually. I think I'm
Yeah,
gonna...
it is. They're not doing anything, they're just thinking they are good because they suck at the game and they stealing the laser because they cannot buy it.
Oh, here's the chat.
All the invite only laser.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. As usual, subscribe, ring the bell, like, share, of course. Can't miss that one. I think this is the second night edition. I'm gonna edit this with fucking medieval music, so enjoy and goodbye, I guess.